No glue whatsoever on this wig. It's super glueless. Y'all can just hear it sliding. Super glueless. It didn't do baby hairs or anything like that. Just because it's not necessary. I just kind of, you know, played around with the baby hairs. Well, played around with the hairline to give myself more of a natural effect. And I think it came out really cute. I'm definitely giving like SZA vibes right now. A reddish, curly SZA vibe type of look. Alright guys, welcome back to another hair video. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So as you guys can see, it's going to be a same day install, straight to the point, straight out the box. So this unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is their new kind of like reddish brown, kinky curly textured unit. Now obviously you guys will see that this unit is a natural length. Now I didn't want anything too long. I felt like you need like a little bit of like a shoulder length curl like this, and I'm telling you it's gonna eat it up. So this is very pretty, y'all, very simple. Again, I'm gonna do like a little razzle dazzle to this one. As you guys can see, this is the package curls, and the package curls are absolutely stunning, very, very nice. You guys can see how pretty these curls are. The hair is very soft. So this unit came pre-cut, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna go in with my scissors just to cut a little bit more off the edges because they do leave like a little bit of lace out for you, but that lace ain't necessary. The wig stops about right here, so it's a good amount of parting space here if you want to do a side part or whatever. Another thing that would be super cute with this unit is actually if you just make a fringe in it, so like a curly bang too, that would actually eat it up pretty well. So I'm probably just gonna keep it simple, cute. Y'all know me, I'm not really like a big baby hair person like that, so I'll decide and see if I want to put like a little baby hair, but I am gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of this excess off. I don't think I'm doing baby hairs on this because like sometimes the baby hairs don't really be necessary, especially for hair this texture. It's best to just kind of leave it like natural looking. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna sculpt anything into this. I'm not doing all that extra shit. Like, we're gonna just keep it cutesy and demure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just frizz my little baby hairs up in the front. It doesn't have to be perfect, we just want it to look natural, so just gonna hit it with that. Now obviously you guys see this is packaged curled, so the curls are pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb them out. Like I'm just gonna like kind of pull them out because I want it to be like a little bit like va va boom. Like I want you to see it and feel it, and you know, very pretty. And I like the fact that the curls are kinky and they're very kind of like fun. Definitely gives realistic vibes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, if this was longer it would be cute, but I feel like this length just makes it look more realistic. I'm kind of giving like SZA vibes right now. I can see that, I'm giving SZA vibes. Perfect. Hit it with a little bit of mist, and then you're good. And again, I think that this is such a pretty wig. Like, this looks so nice and natural. And again, I didn't do anything with the baby hairs. I just kind of let the hair by itself do its own thing. I didn't want it to be too perfect, so I just kind of left the hair do its own thing on the edges. And you guys can see I did the same thing on this side. So this is what she's giving. I'm definitely thinking that this is eating it down. You guys already know during the winter and fall season, red is definitely a very nice color to kind of put into the season. I absolutely love this hair. I like that I'm wearing it more of like a dry style. I know sometimes you guys kind of like, you know, wet curls, but I'm just not a wet curl type of girl. And I feel like with this kinky curly texture, it just looks so pretty, so natural, so realistic. Absolutely love this, y'all. And again, the length on this one is a perfect length. It's not too long. You get a lot of volume with this curl pattern as well too. So it's just something that you could just really rock. I could just see myself wearing like a nice cozy two-piece set, some Uggs, and this wig and like a little throw-over jacket. Very, very cute. And again, I kept everything pretty much simple on this unit. Didn't do baby hairs or anything like that, just because it's not necessary. I just kind of, you know, played around with the baby hairs. Well, played around with the hairline to give myself more of a natural effect, and I think it came out really cute. Again, if you want to go ahead and carve some, you know, baby hairs in here, you can, but I don't think it's necessary, and I feel like it looks more natural like this. Again, your middle part is never going to be like middle part-ish, especially when you're wearing curly hair. It shouldn't be super perfect, so I love how I kind of just like left this the way it is. I am going to use like a little hairspray just to keep some of this like in position, and also to kind of lift some of the areas up. So I'd recommend you guys use like some super strong hairspray, like that's going to give you body, and also going to make sure that the hair stays positioned in place and styled. I use it a lot towards the front, like this part right here where the little bang is at, just so that it kind of stays, you know, nice and cute. Y'all see that? Look at that. So cute. Definitely, yo, I'm definitely giving like SZA vibes right now. A reddish, curly SZA vibe type of look. It's definitely eating it up, y'all. Very, 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 very pretty, guys. I'm actually happy about this install. And again, I always try to show this to you guys. It's a glueless wig, so there's no glue whatsoever on this wig. It's super glueless. Y'all can just hear it sliding. Super glueless, easy to put on and take off, all right? So easy lift and easy put down. So absolutely love this, guys. I love the fact that it's very nice styled. I love the color. I love the length especially. Y'all know I keep talking about the length, but the length is, okay, you don't need nothing too much. This is all you freaking need. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you want to purchase this unit, I'll leave a link down below per usual, guys. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out their Black Friday sales, period. You already know they have their Black Friday sales and their holiday sales ringing all the way through December. So make sure you go ahead and check their website out. All the links will be left down below, guys, including a coupon code. And I will catch you guys in a later one.